Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming in. Today I'm going to pretty much be talking about what I'm doing in a day to get my affiliate marketing business up. And those of you that are watching right now, affiliate marketing is when you are recommending products or services to people to purchase, and you get a commission from that. Okay, and with the internet, it makes things a lot easier. I tried network marketing years ago, and it just was not for me. Now, one of the things that, before you even go any further with this, if you are looking for something overnight, you're going to get quick, this is not for you. Okay, so you might as well just turn it off and go to the next thing. This is about how to start a profitable online marketing business. Okay, one of the things that I want to talk about is your mindset. Okay, what do you want to do? What is it? What is your why? Okay, why are you doing this? What is your reason for that? My reason is I wanted freedom. I wanted time to spend with my family. I didn't want the 9-to-5 working grunge or anything like that. I was a chef for a while, working 16, 18 hours a day, and that just was not good for family life or anything. So my why is freedom. When I say mindset, when I was growing up, my dad told me a couple of things. Let me tell you a quick story about what I mean by mindset. You've got two different mindsets. You've got an employee mindset, and you've got an owner or business person's mindset. The working mindset, which my dad called the Ford mindset. He was a chiropractor, and a lot of his patients were Ford workers, and he would talk about the Ford mindset all the time. And what he means is, if you put an hour's worth of work in, you want your dollar for that hour's worth of work. Okay. Now, as a business owner or working on the internet, what you put in does not mean you're going to get that out right away. Okay, it may take a week. It may take a couple of weeks. It may take a couple of months for that to come out. But if you work it on a consistent basis, that you are going to be profitable, and you're working on a regular basis, and your mindset is as an owner of business, because you're starting your own business. Okay, this is not a job. This is a business. This is how you're going to be making your living. Now, right now, a lot of you guys that are researching this and everything, your why may be similar to mine. You don't want to be tied to your 9-to-5 job anymore. You want the freedom to do things and go places. So if you're, again, it's your mindset has to be there. If you have a working man's mindset and that's all you have, this is going to be hard for you. You're going to quit. You're going to stop. I'm just being honest about it. It's cold and it's hard truth. If you have a working mindset, a Ford mindset, like my dad said, this won't work for you. You have got to transfer that over to a business mindset and look at it as, this is for your future. This is how you're going to be able to retire and not worry about anything else. Okay, I'm 52 years old. I have nothing for retirement. But this, if you can see this and understand this, then you're going to be a lot further than a lot of other people. Okay, you've got to work it like a business. All right, if you can put in an hour a day, and that's all you can put in is an hour a day, and you put that hour a day in consistently, every day you're putting in an hour. Every day you're putting in an hour. You're getting closer and closer to having your business set up for you. Okay, but you have to remember, it's not an overnight thing. It's not a get-rich-quick thing. It is a process that you have to go through with anything else to build your business. Okay, if you're having a brick-and-mortar business, like if you open a restaurant, you're not going to be making money like that. Okay, you have to get a following. People have to see it. They want to come in. They want to try it. If it's good, then you get the repeat customers. It's similar to what we're talking about. You have to have a business mindset. If you don't, you've got to find it. If you can't, it's not going to work for you. You've got to have the business mindset. Mindset is probably the one thing that makes or breaks businesses. And online, you have to have that business mindset. Now, I'm going to tell you what. I'm working with Franklin Hatchett, and he has walked me through this step by step on how to do it. Now, I have been researching what I wanted to do for quite a while, and affiliate marketing, to me, seems the best way. I don't have to buy anything. I don't have to make anything. All I have to do is suggest to people other people's products, and I get a commission for that. And what I'm doing is I'm giving you guys a day-by-day play of what I'm doing. Today, I got all my tracking software fixed up into my ClickFunnels account. And ClickFunnels is what we're talking about, okay? That's the affiliate program that I'm working with right now. ClickFunnels is a new approach to not a website. It's automated. Okay. And when I say I just set up my tracking, what I mean is I've been setting up my ClickFunnels account. I've been taking my time to do it because I'm going to be honest with you, I am not a computer person whatsoever. I watch a video, I stop it, I do what it says, I go back, I do what it says, I go back, I do what it says until it's done, until I got it all set up. Well, I just got my tracking software put on everything, and now I've got everything set up. So all I have to do is follow what Franklin says about how to drive traffic to my website and let the website do the work for me. Okay, let the funnel, I'm sorry. It's not a website, it's a funnel. Let the funnel do the work for me. It's if you click the link below, all right, that's going to take you to a free trial, a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. No cost to you. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to be giving you 4 free training videos. You're going to get one. If you click today, you'll get one today, one tomorrow, one the next day, and one the following day. They're 15, 20-minute videos. Watch the videos, okay? Watch all 4 videos and then make your decision, okay? You're going to, if you're like me, you're going to see the power of the internet, and you're going to see a passive income from ClickFunnels. You have to understand that. It may take some time for this to grow for you. It may take a little bit of time, but the more work you put in the beginning, the less you have to work later because of how it works and how you have to understand how the internet works. Okay. Once you put something up, it's out there. It's out there forever. So you may put something up today and 3 years down the road, you're going to get a commission from it. That's what you need to understand. I'm putting out videos every day for the next 90 days, and I'm going to say exactly what I've been doing today and what I've been doing. And like I told you, today I got all my tracking software set up, and I also got video editing software, which I kind of looked at. And let me tell you something, I'm going to really have to play with that because I don't understand any of it. It's like it's speaking Russian to me. Any of this stuff is like speaking Russian to me, or Spanish for that instance, since I just moved to a Spanish-speaking country and don't speak the language. And my girlfriend is Spanish, and she doesn't speak much of my language. So we do a lot of Google Translate, and we're having a lot of fun with it. But like I was saying, okay, I've got the video editing, which I'm going to play around with. This video may not be the best, but I'm going forward. Every day I'm putting in a video. Every day I'm telling people, look, click the link below, check out the program. It's free for 14 days. Go through, listen to the videos. By the 4th video, I guarantee you will understand and you will see the big picture. Okay? The little picture is what we're doing now. It's this video. It's setting up the program. It's getting everything ready. But the big picture is once you've got it set up and you're driving the traffic to the funnel and you're doing what Franklin says to do and you're doing it on a consistent basis, what I say is consistency. It's not how much you put in. It's not how much time you put into it. It's how consistent you are with it. If you're putting in just an hour a week, if you're only working on Saturdays, but you're working every Saturday, that's consistency. You're going to build a business. It's consistency and keeping doing things over and over again. And guys, it's really not hard to do. It's very simple to do. It's just, it takes a little bit of time. And depending on how much you put into it, depends on how much time it's going to take for it to build. But if you are consistent and you do it on a regular basis, you will build a business. Okay? So today I've talked about the tracking software that I put on. I talked about the video editing software. So tomorrow, probably what I'm going to do is do a video, and then I'm going to start editing the video or working on editing the video. And there's other platforms besides YouTube, but YouTube is the one that I'm starting with. I want to understand it. Like I said, I don't know anything about this. And the only way to do it for me is I have to do things over and over and over and over again. Okay, it took me about 6 hours to figure out how to put up a YouTube video. Well, it didn't take me as long the second time, and this time it's not going to take me as long either. But in 90 days, I'm going to understand how to work YouTube, how to do the video editing, how to get all this stuff in. And you guys, hey, if the information you like on here is good, give me a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe, follow me, see how things go. And then if you see that when I have started to become successful, you can look back on these videos and go, okay, this is what he did today. This is what he did today. This is what he did today. And that's what I'm going to do. So if you, like I said, if you like it, another thing too is this is the first time for me on camera. I have no idea how to do this, but I'm learning. Okay. It's not perfection. It's progress. Okay. It's the progress that you can make, not how perfect you are, because everybody's got to start somewhere. Okay, this is where I'm starting. And as I get better, my videos will get better, my content will get better. But for the next 90 days, you are going to see how every day I'm going to be on here. I'm going to say, okay, this is what I did today. This is the problems that I had today. Right now, I'm having just a little bit of problem linking a couple of software things together, but I'm online and I'm talking to people and I'm trying to get it done. Okay. All right. So I'm going to say goodbye today, and hopefully some of you guys like this content, and we'll see you later. All right. Bye-bye.